Hi guys, welcome back for another video, and for today we will be talking about 3 tips on how to make your PowerPoint presentation comprehensive. But before we start, please do not forget to like this video, click that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell for our future uploads. Part of our student life or employee life is to present a report or a development through a visual presentation, or to be specific, PowerPoint presentation. And we people have different ways on how to create them or how to craft them comprehensively. However, the question here is, are they really comprehensive enough for the audience? So in this video, I will be giving you 3 tips on how to make your PowerPoint presentation comprehensive. And if you find this video interesting, please watch until the end of the video. For our first tip, simplicity. When we create our PowerPoint presentation, we need to make sure that our font style, font size, animations, transitions, or even our backgrounds should be simple. In an academic or professional context, these elements are only supplementary to the entire presentation that you will be doing, which means the audience does not really give much attention to your decorations or designs that you put into your slides. So when you put vibrant colors, unique GIFs, or even stickers, they can only cause somehow distracting or messy presentation. So one thing that you need to remember is that when you create your PowerPoint presentation, put in mind that your goal is to give exact and substantial content to the listeners or to the audience of your presentation. So please make sure that you not overwhelm your content with decorations. Remember, the lesser the better. For our second tip, clarity of the content. This is the most essential part of your presentation. The presentation of facts, pieces of evidence, researches, and other necessary information about the topic. As a presenter, you always need to remember that the reason behind your presentation is to channel necessary knowledge about the topic. Now, how do we really write our content? Now, I'll be giving you 3 ways to write your content for your presentation. Let's start with the first. Do not copy and paste. Yes, that is really one of the problems that the presenters, or especially students, are doing whenever they're going to report or discuss something in front of the class. They copy and paste whatever they have researched on the internet. Now, talking about that one, please make sure that when you use statements coming from other people, you need to paraphrase them, but of course you need to give credit to the original author. And when you're going to paraphrase or even summarize, please make sure that it is always having the same thought or the same meaning from the original statement. For our second way, please summarize your presentation or your statements. It is not really helpful for you to really provide lengthy paragraphs, but instead summarize each paragraph and make them into a sentence. And with that, make use of bullets. Bullets are also helpful or even beneficial for you as a presenter because you only put into your slides necessary keywords or necessary information about the topic. Third, provide illustrations just like tables, graphs, pictures, or even short clips that are relevant to your topic. With these illustrations, they give you much time to explain more and provide mastery of the topic. It also gives you the time to shorten your presentation as expected, but it is much precise. Because instead of providing words or even a lengthy explanation written in your presentation, it is you providing the explanation. So do not hesitate to provide illustrations just like tables, um, graphs, pictures, or even short clips. So that's how you're going to make sure that there is clarity of the content. For our third tip, which is consistency, provided that I have already given you the elements of your PowerPoint presentation during our first tip, these font size, font styles, animations, transitions, and even backgrounds must be observing uniformity or consistency. It is very important. It is not really helpful for you as a presenter to use different or a mix of decorations or designs in your presentation. So as much as possible, when you use Times New Roman as your font style, all throughout your presentation, it must be Times New Roman. You could also make use of another font style for your header. So for your titles, headers, different font styles, but for your text or for your information, you use another font style. So as much as possible, just use two fonts. For your font sizes that also differ, most especially if you want to emphasize a certain part of your presentation, but make sure it's not big enough that eats the entire presentation. Next, for your transitions and your animations, it always need to observe uniformity. If you use float in or fly in as your entrance, it should always be consistent all throughout your presentation. It should not be float in, fly in, pop, squeeze, or any other animations we have in our PowerPoint presentation. Do not use them all, okay? Because that makes your presentation very messy. For your background, as much as possible, just use white background and then provide borders at the top and the bottom part of your slides. That is already enough, or it really gives a clean presentation about a certain topic. So as much as possible, be consistent all throughout your presentation, and that makes your presentation comprehensive enough, because they're not focusing to the designs, but instead they're focusing to the content of your presentation. There you have it, guys. Those are the 3 tips of making your PowerPoint presentation comprehensive. If you find this video interesting and helpful, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. See you in our next video.